Hello everybody, live market rundown for Thursday the 7th of September. First of all, I want to thank everybody that was on the live market rundown yesterday. It was truly a great time. We went through a lot of good things, great questions were asked, and I'm quite satisfied with the way I explained it. So for the guys in the premium group, keep an eye out on the recording that will be shared shortly. It was a good time. Now, let's get into the charts. First of all, I want to answer the question from Davis about Euro AUD, my views on it all. So, basically what we're seeing is the same stuff as always, no surprises here. The daily is correcting, therefore the 4-hour is bearish. We have come down and come up again quite strongly, but it is really slowing down. So we'll have to see how this forms. Also keeping an eye on the daily as we still have imbalance below. So we might actually fill this imbalance, come up again, and then only provide the engulfing. Or what we also could do is already start with the uptrend and break this point in structure, that last 4-hour lower high. Buys when broken in line with the daily bullish trend. We'll have to see. It's been in this range for quite a while. Showed a nice move, but then came up. Been quite sideways, so not overly interested in this right now, but yeah, we're either going to be able to short it lower, or if this breaks, we'll just start buying higher already. Then GBP AUD, question by Gershwin. Quite a similar setup as we both have AUD on the pairs as a second currency. So on the daily we are bullish, but on the 4-hour we're actually bullish as well. So this is actually quite significant. This could indicate the fact that we have started our daily move already. So because we broke the 4-hour trend. Now, we'll have to see how this continues because we might actually break this again. It might happen, we'll see how it goes, but for now I'm actually looking at further shorts because we still have some room towards the downside. We have this daily level of imbalance and this liquidity left behind, so I zoom in onto the 1-hour, which is not surprisingly bearish. If you know, the 4-hour is bullish and correcting, so the 1-hour will be bearish. As you can see, multiple leg correction, impulse down. Looking to zoom into the 15-minute. And then take some sells into the 1-hour fib extension. So that's quite interesting. Also quite interesting is gold. Let's check out how this looks. The daily made a lower low, so the 4-hour is bullish. We are correcting lower still. So that means we can zoom into the 1-hour because we are not really showing any signs of slowing down. So I'm actually looking for this to continue on a little bit lower. So for that reason, I zoom into the 1-hour. On the 1-hour, you can see higher time frame imbalance, which is the 4-hour, and beautiful imbalance, beautiful liquidity. So what we'll be able to see is how it reacts, possibly tapping into this, and then we might get the reaction. Then I will be zooming into the 15-minute and taking the sells. This will likely be the 15-minute higher low as we will be working our way into this 4-hour daily, this 4-hour imbalance. Then the watch list of the ones that are actually the closest to moving at this very moment. USD JPY, the 4-hour is still making its way into the 4-hour fib extension. So we zoom into the 1-hour. On the 1-hour, you can see that we have already made quite a move, but this was actually coming from a very strong move down. So I'm expecting this to actually dip down yet again, and then we'll be able to take some good buys off of a very nice area of interest with 4-hour and daily imbalance. If it would not happen, you would just start closing on the 1-hour above. We can already zoom into the 15-minute, take the buys in line with the 1-hour and the 4-hour, and actually the daily structure as well. GBP CAD, the daily is correcting, 4-hour is bearish. You still have this level left. Let me just make this correct. The 4-hour still has this room left, so I'll have to see how this goes. Zooming into the 1-hour, very interested to see how this corrects up. Possible that this will be the area of interest as we have 4-hour And if I'm not mistaken, let me just check real quick. Also 1 hour imbalance just above right here. So we'll have to see how this goes. This is definitely impulse, so we'll have to see how it corrects, and then we'll be able to sell in line with the 4 hour in to that level. So looking forward to that move as well. We'll keep you guys updated. It's been a little bit messy, but still we're in control of our risk, in control of the rules, and that is the most important thing. So with that, best of luck in the markets, and I'll keep you guys updated.